Hello everyone. Do you want to make stunning infographics like this? From AI, then watch the full video. First go to Chrome browser. Search for picktochart. Open the web app. Now click on Sign Up option and complete sign up process. Now you will head to this window where you can make infographics, presentations, reports and many other things. Click on Infographics. Here you can see different categories like social media banner, flyer, etc. And you also have a plenty of infographic templates which you can select and edit. Now scroll top and click Generate AI Infographics. Now write the topic name you want for. Example, digital marketing. Now click Generate Infographic. As you can see, infographic is generating. Now our infographic has been generated. Now select any design you want. And as you can see, infographic look good. Now to edit the infographic, select Edit this infographic in the top corner. You can edit graphic text design, colors, or add design, logo, image, or charts. For example, to edit the text digital marketing, just click on the text and add or remove the word. To add the graphics, just click on the graphics and drag and drop to the desired place. To add a text, just click on the text option and select the type and font of the text and write the text. Place the text where you want. Now you can share the infographic to your web by share option or download it through download option. Now let's move to the another way. Go to Chrome and search for ChatGPT. Now open the ChatGPT and write the prompt you want. For example, I use AI. Now you can see that the script has been generated. Just copy the script and paste it into the picktochart. Now click on the Generate option. As you can see, our project is been generating. Our project has been generated. Now select the design which will suit your topic. Finally, our project has been generated. It's looking awesome, but it can be edited more. So to edit it, we have to go to Edit the infographic at the top right corner. You can also edit the image. Let's see how. Click on the image, select the image you want from AI generated, or you can upload. After selecting, just drag and drop. You can also change the other things. Looks like color is not looking good. So to change the color, let's go to the color tab. And you can select here from plenty of suitable color templates. You can also change, add pie chart, graphs, etc. by drag and drop like this and can place it where you want. It look like it's ready to download. Just click on download to download it. So everyone, this is the end of the video. Please share, like and subscribe to get more videos like this.